Hey, in this video, I will show you 7 brand new AI tools that you can use to make money online even when you're doing nothing. In today's fast-paced digital age, it has never been easier to make money online from the comfort of your home. And you can either use these AI tools to make money online with them separately, or you can combine all of them to build a sustainable online business, which I'm going to show you how to do at the end of this video for completely free. Or at least that's what this AI bot told me to say. So this entire script that I just read was actually written by an AI bot. But anyways, in this video, we're not going to talk about ChatGPT because that's something that everyone already knows about, but I'm actually going to show you 7 brand new AI tools that you can use to build an online business and make money online, beginning with a tool number 1, which is going to be Resemble.ai. Resemble.ai is a tool that will allow you to clone your own voice. So if I, for example, wanted to start new faceless channels with my voice on them, I can easily do that with Resemble.ai, because I can just paste some script inside of this box and I will select my voice over here, Dave's AI voice, and just listen to it.
Identify a profitable niche. Before you start an online business, it's important to do your research and find a niche that is in demand and has a group.
As you can see, Dave is actually reading this. Even though I never read this script, never said any of these words in this order any time in my life, this AI bot is generating my own voice, like an actual voiceover with my voice. And I can use this for different channels. So I can tell my VA to just go and paste a script that was written by an AI bot inside of this tool, and it's gonna generate my own voice. It's gonna generate a voiceover with my own voice, which is really cool. Now you can also build your own voice, or you can just select some of the pre-made voices. Like for example, if you select Richard, he sounds even better, sounds a little bit less robotic. So it's obviously not perfect. You can tell that Dave is an actual AI bot, but just listen to, for example, Richard.
Identify a profitable niche. Before you start an online business, it's important to do your research and find it.
In my opinion, this is a lot better, and it doesn't actually sound like a robot. It doesn't sound like an AI bot. So this is already Resemble.ai, where you can generate voiceovers, really nice sounding voiceovers, and generate even your own voice in here. Now, before we continue, I do want to mention that yesterday I added a brand new step-by-step module inside of the training program linked in the description box down below, where I specifically talk about generating content for your YouTube automation channels with AI. So if you don't know already, that is a training program that shows you exactly how I personally make money online off of my YouTube channels, where I'm not showing my face and not recording anything with a camera. And now there's even a module that shows you how to create those videos completely with AI and completely free of charge, so that you can make money online and monetize those videos in 10 different ways, including ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and brand deals, and of course much more that we go into details in that step-by-step training program. So if you want to see exactly how I personally make money online and exactly how you can combine that business model with AI, then click the first link in the description box down below for the latest updates. Anyways, the second AI bot that you can use to make money online is the one that will help you with scripts. So for example, you find a YouTube video out there, and even like if it's my YouTube video, any YouTube video, you can just click on these 3 dots below that video and you can click on show transcript, and it's going to show you the script of that actual video. So you can toggle the timestamps and you can see exactly what was said in this video, and you can copy that with one click of a button. That's great. But why are you going to do that? Well, because you can now go over to Quillbot, which is an AI bot that will allow you to rewrite scripts and text with one click of a button. So you can just paste that script inside of this box. You can paste any script or any text in this box, click on paraphrase, and Quillbot will rewrite that text and that script into your own words, so you can then use it as a copyright-free, plagiarism-free script for your own YouTube videos, for your own blog posts, for articles. You can rewrite emails, you can rewrite literally anything. So you can just paste it inside of this box, click paraphrase, and it's going to be rewritten, and then you can copy that and you can use it without having to worry about getting any copyright issues or having people behind your back being like, hey, you stole my script or you stole my text or whatsoever. No, you're gonna generate a unique content with one click of a button with Quillbot. The third AI bot that you can use to make money online is gonna be Runway, over at runwayml.com, and this AI bot actually has a lot of different tools inside of it. This is a software with a lot of different AI tools, including a magic photo generator. So whatever you type in a box, they're gonna generate that image for you. 100% unique content that has never been published before. As you can see, you can generate a whole picture, you can generate a whole store or a whole room just from AI, and you also can do video editing, real-time video editing, 30+ magic AI tools, and it's everything related to content creation. So you can create images, once again, you can create designs, and you can create videos inside of runwayml.com. You can see all of these different images were actually generated by AI. No one actually drew this person over here. This person actually doesn't exist on the left side, so it was fully generated by AI. And as you can see, you can simplify the tedious, repetitive, and time-consuming consuming aspects of content creation and video editing. Now, the way you can use this to make money online is either for your own social media content, or you can also charge other people and become a freelancer on Fiverr and Upwork, and you can charge them for video editing or content creation, and then you can just go over to this AI tool and let it do all of the work for you. The next AI bot that you can use to make money online is called Synthesia, or synthesia.io. Now, the way Synthesia works is it will allow you to create professional videos and presentations by just pasting the script into the box. So if you watch this video over here, you can see that this is fully generated by an AI. I will just leave you to watch it for a second.
And here's a quick Synthesia product demo. Start by selecting an AI app, then
Basically, you can just paste the script inside of this box, and then one of these persons that you can select an avatar on the right side. Let's say, for example, you select an Anna, which is this girl over here. Now she is gonna read your script into the camera, she's gonna talk for you, and you can fully edit a video inside of Synthesia, and you can post them on YouTube or on your own website. You can create a course around it. You can do literally anything you want to, but you don't necessarily have to spend thousands of dollars to pay like an actual actor, an actual presenter to get in front of the camera and read the script for you, because you can get it done in a couple of seconds with this AI bot. The next AI bot doesn't necessarily have to do anything with content creation or videos or anything like that, but it's an Instagram bot that will allow you to grow your Instagram accounts faster than ever, and then you can use those Instagram accounts to either sell them on different platforms, or you can just use the following that you've built to promote either CPA offers, affiliate offers, or even your own products to make money online and build an actual online business. As you can see, Kenji is an Instagram bot powered by AI that helps you get more Instagram followers, likes, and engagement. You can get started in seconds. All you gotta do is enter your email address, click on sign up now, and you can connect your Instagram account to this bot that will help you start growing. As you can see, AI is supercharged. You don't need any technical knowledge to get set up. Even with Kenji being supercharged with AI, it's really easy actually. It will allow you to find your audience, increase your engagement rates, and get more story views as well, which once again can result in you getting more sales and earning more money with whatever it is that you're promoting on your Instagram page. The next AI bot that you can use is called the Descript.com. This is also great for those that are creating content for social media, because now you can get it done a lot faster and a lot easier. So for example, if you wanted to edit your YouTube video and there are like a lot of different cuts that you need to make and you gotta remove all the mistakes or whatsoever, instead of you doing that manually for a couple of hours or paying someone $50, $100, or $200 to do that for you, you can just paste it inside of Descript.com, and this AI bot will actually do everything for you. It will pretty much edit the video for you. You can get AI transcription, podcasting, screen recording, overdub for your videos. You can add subtitles and captions with one click of a button, and much more. So there's a lot of different tools that are available at your disposal with this AI software. And the last AI bot that we're going to talk about today is called remove.bg. This one will allow you to professionally remove background, even way better than what you can do with like Photoshop or whatever, with one click of a button. So for example, if you had some portrait, let's say for instance, I want to remove the background from this image over here, or let's say this image over here, I will just save it. You just need to upload that, and the background will be removed for you, and it's gonna look really good. As you can see, the cut is actually seamless. So now you can download this to your computer, and you can either use it in your YouTube thumbnails, you can use it on your website, or whatever you might want to use it for, or you can even sell this as a service on a freelancing platform like Fiverr, People Per Hour, or Upwork, because people are willing to pay someone to remove background from their images. And I've seen people charging like $5 per image, and it only takes you one click of a button with this AI bot. And once again, if you want to see exactly how I personally make money online and how I've been able to establish my passive income systems, and click the first link in the description box down below, and I will walk you through the entire process step by step and show you exactly how it works. And also, as I said, there is a module where we're going to talk about AI and how you can generate your content completely with AI and then monetize that content in many different ways.